Here you need to calculate some indices. In part A, you need to find m, and you know that 27 equals 3 to the power of m. So the important thing here is to always find the same base. So look to the right, you have base 3. So now you have to think about how to write 27 as a function of 3, so when 3 is the base. So 27 is actually 3 to the power of 3. So 3 to the power of 3 is 3 to the power of m, which means that m is 3. Similarly for b, you have 1 over 9 is 3 to the power of n. Again, your base is 3. So how can you write 1 over n with base 3? So 1 over 9 is actually 3 to the power of minus 2, or 1 over 3 to the power of 2. So then n is minus 2. In part C, you have that square root of 3 is 3 to the power of p. Square root of 3 can also be written as 3 to the power of a half, which means that p is a half. And now in part D, you're asked to find x, and you know that 27 divided by 3x, 3 to the power of x, is 243. Again, same thing, find your base. Your base is 3 again. 27 is 3 to the power of 3. And now you have to figure out what is 243. So we know that 3 to the power of 3 is 37, and this can be just a bit of trial and error. So we find that 243 is 3 to the power of 5. And you know that 3 to the power of 3 divided by 3 to the power of x is actually 3 to the power of 3 minus x, because if you divide them, you have to subtract the powers. So 3 to the power of 3 minus x is equal to 3 to the power of 5, which means that x is 2.